Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress on Hostinger. First, select a Hostinger hosting plan that aligns with your website's requirements, whether it's a shared plan for a small blog or a business plan for an e-commerce store. Next, register a new domain name or easily transfer an existing one to your Hostinger account. Finally, leverage Hostinger's intuitive control panel to install WordPress with just one click, setting up your site in under 5 minutes. Once WordPress is installed, you'll navigate its powerful dashboard. Familiarize yourself with key sections like posts for blog entries, pages for static content, and appearance for design customization. Explore the plugins area to extend functionality, perhaps adding a contact form or an SEO tool. Hostinger's optimized environment ensures a smooth experience as you begin to personalize your site's look and feel. Now, let's create engaging content. Use the block editor to build new posts and pages, easily adding text, images, and videos. You can upload media files up to 256 megabytes directly. Customize your site's navigation by setting up menus and adding widgets to your sidebar or footer. This allows visitors to find information quickly and enhances their overall experience on your new WordPress website. Maintaining your WordPress site is crucial for its longevity and security. Regularly update WordPress core, themes, and plugins to the latest versions, often released every few weeks, to patch vulnerabilities and improve performance. Implement robust security measures, including strong, unique passwords and scheduled backups. Consider a daily backup solution. Optimizing your site ensures fast loading times, providing a better experience for your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.